All right, high key portrait reference image setup. You want to go to applications and we want to go to the photo booth, which is right there. Go ahead and open that thing up and we're going to take a selfie. This is something that if you're going to do a selfie, then you need to use this. If you're not, then you need to find another image and try to edit it in Word like I will show you here in a little bit. So this is what's going to happen. You're going to be looking at yourself and you want to do a face. I want to do an interesting picture. Could be mean, angry, happy, funny, goofy. I'm just going to do something like this and it takes my picture. Wow, it's beautiful. Take that little thumbnail and drag it out here to the desktop and it's going to add your picture out there. And now we can go ahead and edit the picture into Word. So you want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Word and then we want to import the picture into Word, and I'm going to go ahead and go to format picture up here, the little purple bar, and crop it. And I just want like the head area, maybe a little bit from the bottom here, a little bit more from the top, and that looks pretty good. Click on it and you want to enlarge it, so stretch it from the corner. You want to pull from the corner to make sure that the proportions are maintained. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little dog up here and click in front of text, and now I can move this picture wherever I would like to. I go ahead and recolor it to grayscale, and now we're going to go to corrections, and down here at the bottom there's a bar here where we're going to be able to play around with the highlights and brightness and contrast. So in order to make this high key, we're trying to get rid of most of the gray values. So I'm making it bright, making the brightness higher and the contrast higher so that I can pretty much eliminate those gray values. We want a lot of white. We still want to have some detail in terms of the facial features. That's way too much. But you can see that most of the gray in my forehead and cheeks are gone. And that's a high key portrait. You can adjust the sharpness if you need to. Again, we do want a good range of values in terms of the main facial features. Eyes, mouth, all that good stuff. You don't need to mess with saturation or temperature. And once you have this the way you want it, once it represents a high key portrait, it'll be good. I do have a little bit of gray underneath my glasses and around the eyes, but that's okay. But the majority of the skin is white or light, so that's what you want. It's a pretty good image there. Click OK, and we're going to go ahead and go to File and Print, and you'll be ready to grid and draw.